You're sitting on the couch at 9 p.m. You've just finished dinner. Your stomach's full. But suddenly you're thinking about chips, ice cream, something, anything. And here's what everyone tells you. Oh, you're dehydrated, or you need more protein. But that's complete BS. And I'm about to show you what's actually controlling your appetite. Hint, it's not what you think it is. If you want to stop battling your body and actually understand what's happening, smash that subscribe button. This changes everything. All right, let's dig in. Let's start with the biggest lie you've been sold. You crave salt because your body needs electrolytes. Think about that for a second. Salt has sodium in it, sure. But you know what also has sodium? Celery, beets, spinach, full of it. So if your body was actually smart enough to know it needs sodium, you'd be craving a green juice at 9 p.m. on a Tuesday, right? But you're not. You're craving potato chips. Here's why this myth won't die. It's comforting. It makes you feel like your cravings are intelligent messages from your wise body, like your body's trying to help you. It's not. Your body is being hijacked by 3 hidden forces, and we're about to expose all of them. Puppet master number 1, your brain's pleasure circuit. When you eat chips, something specific happens. Most processed snacks combine salt, fat, and carbs in ratios that don't exist in nature. That combination is so rare that your brain's reward center, the nucleus accumbens, absolutely explodes with dopamine. We're talking about a neurological fireworks show. And here's the kicker. It's not because your body needs the food. It's because the ratio is so abnormal, so concentrated, that it hijacks your dopamine system. You're not craving chips because you need calories or sodium. You're craving them because your brain is being chemically tricked into thinking it just found the best food source ever. It's the same mechanism that makes sugar addictive. It's not addiction to the nutrition. It's addiction to the dopamine hit. So the real question isn't, what does my body need? The question is, what combination of foods can manipulate my reward system most effectively? And the answer is always processed foods with that magic salt-fat-carb ratio. Puppet master number 2, your gut's secret agenda. But wait, there's something even more disturbing happening in your gut. Here's what most people don't realize. Your gut doesn't just digest food. It controls what you eat. Your bacteria are literally voting on your menu. Think of your gut like a miniature civilization, trillions of them. Different species, different preferences. Some bacteria love carbs, some love fiber, some love sugar. And here's where it gets wild. When your gut bacteria want food, specifically the food they thrive on, they can send chemical signals directly to your brain through something called the vagus nerve. Your bacteria can literally manipulate your hunger hormones. They can change how food tastes to you. They can make you crave the specific things they need to survive. It's like you're a host and your bacteria are remote controlling your taste buds. So if you've been eating a lot of processed junk, you've been breeding junk-loving bacteria. And now those bacteria are sending signals to your brain saying, we need more. You feel the craving and you think it's coming from you, but it's not. It's coming from your gut. That's biological manipulation. That's your own microbiome hijacking your willpower. Puppet master number 3, your sleep debt. But there's one more puppet master, and this one might actually explain your cravings right now. When you don't get enough sleep, and we're talking 7 hours minimum, something crazy happens in your brain. Your body starts producing a chemical called 2-arachidinoglycerol. Say that 3 times fast. I'll wait. Basically, it's an endocannabinoid. It's the same chemical family that makes cannabis users get the munchies, except you're producing it naturally just from being tired. And here's what it does. It doesn't make you hungry for broccoli. It specifically makes you crave high-calorie, high-carb snacks. Chips, cookies, pizza, the stuff that gives you an instant energy boost. Studies show that when people are sleep deprived, they consume an average of 385 to 550 extra calories per day, specifically from junk food. So you're not weak-willed, you're chemically primed to seek reward. Your body is trying to compensate
for the fatigue by flooding your brain with dopamine. The solution, not willpower. Sleep. 8 hours. That's it. Your cravings will disappear. The one exception. Now, before you think all cravings are lies, there is one exception. There's one craving that actually is your body sending you an SOS signal. Ice. If you're constantly chewing ice, that's called pagophagia, and it's a legitimate medical sign of iron deficiency anemia. Here's the wild part. When you have iron deficiency, your brain isn't getting enough oxygen. You feel foggy, tired, weak. So your body discovered a hack. Chewing ice forces more blood to rush to your brain. It's a biological workaround to stay alert. But it's also a red flag. If you're craving ice, you need to see a doctor and get a ferritin test. This is the one time your body is actually screaming for help. Every other craving, mostly psychological, microbial, or sleep-related, just not ice. So, how do you know what's really going on when you get a craving? Use the HALT method. When a craving hits, ask yourself, am I hungry, angry or stressed, lonely or bored, tired? Let's break it down. If you're hungry, actually eat. You might just be hungry. If you're angry or stressed, your body is dumping cortisol into your bloodstream. You want relief. But the solution isn't food. It's to breathe, move, go for a walk. Your cortisol will regulate and the craving disappears. If you're lonely or bored, you're seeking dopamine. Your brain wants a reward. The solution? Not food. Do something that gives you actual pleasure. Call a friend. Watch something funny. Play a game. If you're tired, all bets are off. Your endocannabinoid system is hijacked. Either sleep or accept that you're gonna want junk food. There's no willpower solution here. And here's my favorite one. If you're mistaking thirst for hunger, this is real. Your hypothalamus, the part of your brain that controls hunger and thirst, sometimes gets its wires crossed. You think you're hungry, but you're just dehydrated. Drink a big glass of water. Wait 15 minutes. If the hunger goes away, you were thirsty the whole time. The liberation. Here's what really messes with people. Understanding that your cravings aren't coming from you. They're coming from your bacteria, your dopamine system, your fatigue. It's weirdly liberating. Because here's the thing. If your cravings are being hijacked by these external forces, then willpower was never going to work anyway. You were fighting an unwinnable battle. The real solution is to change the system. Sleep more. Reduce processed foods so you're not breeding junk-loving bacteria. Move your body to boost your own dopamine naturally. Drink more water. Once you fix these systems, the cravings don't disappear because you're disciplined. They disappear because the puppet masters lose their grip. This is why diets fail. People think they need more willpower, but they actually need more sleep, better bacteria, and better dopamine management. Willpower is irrelevant. So the next time you get a craving, don't ask, what do I need? Ask, am I being manipulated right now? Because the answer is almost always yes. And once you know that, you can actually do something about it. If this blew your mind, please share this with someone you know who's constantly fighting their cravings. They need to hear this. Hit that subscribe button if you want more science-backed insight that actually change how you see your body. And let me know in the comments, what's your weirdest craving? I'm genuinely curious. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.